Alright guys, today it's going to be your turn to actually estimate and solve each of the four problems from yesterday. So yesterday we had these four word problems and you had to create the strip diagram and the equation. So I went ahead and filled those two parts in. Today you're going to do the estimation and you're going to solve. So here's the first question. There are 458 pieces of gum in a pack. After passing out gum to friends, there are 182 pieces of gum remaining. How many pieces of gum did you pass out to friends? So you have your strip diagram and your equation. Today you're going to do your estimation and you're going to solve. The second question says a luggage company can fit 4 suitcases into each shipping box. If they need to ship an order of 20 suitcases, how many boxes should the company use? Again, you have your strip diagram and your equation. Today you're going to estimate and you're going to solve. The next question says Mike bought 529 nails and 294 staples. How many total nails and staples did Mike buy? Again, you have your strip diagram and your equation. Today you're going to do your estimation and you're going to solve. The final question says Mary Sue bought 9 pieces of chocolate. She paid 8 cents for each piece of chocolate. How much did she spend in all? Again, you have your strip diagram and your equation. Today you're going to do your estimation and you're going to solve. When you're completely finished, make sure you turn it into Google Classroom. And if you have any questions, ask your teachers. I'll see you later. Bye.